Gurubhyo Namaha. The International Women's Day is celebrated globally every year on 8th of March to honor the achievements of women in various fields. Women of the world want and deserve an equal future free from stigma, stereotypes, and violence. A future that's sustainable, peaceful, with equal rights and opportunities for all. To get us there, the world needs women at every table where decisions are being made. Therefore, this celebration gives recognition to women from all walks of life. It is a celebration of respect, appreciation, love, and care towards the women of the world. Women of today are no longer dependent. They are self-reliant and independent in every way. It is praiseworthy to note all the accomplishment by women who have contributed greatly in the welfare of the world as a whole. We must respect women, not because of their gender, but primarily for their own identity. We must accept that both men and women equally contribute to the betterment of the home and society. Let's not forget, it is a woman who brings life into this world. She makes a difference in the world and also people around her, and most importantly, plays a major role in upbringing of our children that forms the basis of building a beautiful home. It is our responsibility to appreciate and honor women who are successful in their lives and bringing success into the lives of others around her. Women are also at the forefront of the battle against COVID-19. Like every year, on International Women's Day, Nritya Dhyana, the School of Indian Classical Dance in Kuwait, celebrating the phenomenon that is women. I would like to thank each one of you. Your support and encouragement motivates us to do better in our productions. Please do not forget to subscribe to our Nritya Dhyana channel, like, comment, and share with your family and friends. Once again, on behalf of Nritya Dhyana family, I would like to wish everyone a very happy International Women's Day. Thank you.
As we are celebrating the social, economic, political and cultural achievement of women, I would like to highlight one of my major achievements as I stopped delaying all my needs and started prioritizing and achieving my goals one by one.
Hi everyone, on this Women's Day, I'd like to share how I broke the bondage of dependency and set to move on. The stick in the mud took flight. I was a person who looked for eternal force to motivate me, but finally I moved that inertia. I pushed myself and made a self-drive decision to pursue my higher studies. This drive gave me a positive feeling, and today I'm glad that I pursue my dream of securing a specialization for enhancing the ability in the profession that I am at. The reason for happiness is that I can make decisions and I'm accountable of it.
بطلت أهتم إني أرضي الناس أكتر من إني أرضي نفسي. بقيت أهتم بنفسي أكتر، حبيت نفسي أكتر. Happy Women's Day. I'm happy to be a woman.
Dance has been my passion since childhood, but unfortunately I've never been able to embrace or understand it technically. Now I have given myself a chance to learn dance and understand it better under my guru, Miss Arundhati Sinha John at Nritya Dhyana Dance School. Seeing her dance motivates me and increases my passion, and now I have the opportunity to learn more, understand better, and prove myself that I have loved dance more than anything.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र दूं। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है। तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी। ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि ले परीक्षा तेरी, कि ले परीक्षा तेरी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है। तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की लौ नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है, तू क्रोध की मशाल है। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है। तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा। अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, एक भूकंप आएगा। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है। तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
Ding